Hey guys, this is AK Car Wash, and you're watching the only channel that provides you detailing information on each and everything about detailing. So we've got this bike here today. It's a pretty nice bike, but the only problem is that all the chrome parts are all rusted, and we're going to make sure you guys see how to do it at home as well. So keep tuned and watch, like and subscribe to our channel so that also you can have the information and you can get the knowledge on how to do these things from home. Now obviously we have to sand it because there's some rusted parts here which are very bad, and we want to smoothen it out. We'll show you how smooth it becomes as well. Now as you can see here, we're using a 2000 grit sandpaper, and we're just smoothing out all this rust. As you can see, it's quite smooth to the touch. So it's not obviously going to damage because it's a very high grit sandpaper of P2000, and that's what we also recommend you guys use. Now as you can see, the shine is coming like crazy just by using a 2000 grit sandpaper. You can already see the difference. The exhaust is already shining. See, it's becoming shinier as we're sanding. guys, there you have it. We have removed all the rust from these exhausts. It looks really amazing from far as well, and I'm sure you guys can do this at home. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on our videos for more of these kinds of videos.